I remember my first audition. Sa sobrang nervous ko, nakalimutan ko yung lines ko in front of the camera. And at that time, I thought I was not gonna make it as an actor. But thankfully, naging okay naman yung career ko.
In life, there are many firsts. But of all the firsts in your life, there is nothing that is simultaneously more exciting, more frightening, and more significant than the purchase of your first home. The good news is, for the first time in its 30-year history, Century Properties enters the first home buyer market with an all-new brand that brings Century-level quality and service to people like you, who are looking to invest in your very own house and lot for the very first time. Introducing PHirst Park Homes.
Hi there. I've been a Century homeowner for many years now, and really, there is no developer in the country better than Century Properties. And I'm happy that finally, more people can have the quality living experience they deserve. For its maiden project, rising in the bustling suburban center of Tanza in Cavite, we present to you PHirst Park Homes Tanza. What a fantastic project this is indeed. Level up talaga ang ginawa ng PHirst Park Homes here in Tanza. PHirst has gone through great lengths to deliver a community that stands head and shoulders above all the others in the area. How? Let me give you 4 reasons why PHirst Park Homes should be your first and only choice for your first home. 4 C's of First. 1. Complete. Fall in love with beautifully complete homes. Homes that are finished, secured, expandable, and provisioned. Here you get finished interiors with proper ceiling, flooring, and bathroom fixtures. Also, every home has a garage space for a compact car, convertible to a garden should you wish. It is the first ever development in the area that has homes delivered with its own gate and perimeter fence for security and privacy. That's a first. And ang maganda pa dito, there is a provision for extending your home should you choose to renovate, add an extra room para magkasya ang growing family ninyo. 2. Conceptive. Here is where engaging and conceptive amenities are brought to life. We offer unique features that go beyond the basics. Kompleto talaga dito, with full-size amenities like a beautiful clubhouse with a videoke room and function room, a basketball court, playground, kiddie water play area, a breathtaking swimming pool, and may outdoor cinema pa. Apart from the usual amenities, we also have activity nodes spread across the village. There is a bark park for dogs, a skate park, a foot reflexology area, an outdoor gym, and a play area. There is also a lot of green around where you and your family can hang out, have a picnic, and enjoy. 3. Connected. We keep everyone connected to life's essentials, bridging people and places through a reliable internet service and a better transport system. A community that promotes a stronger bond amongst family and friends. We also have Wi-Fi nodes in the village, so pwede na mag-Google for your research assignments at school. You can browse through Facebook and Instagram to keep up with the latest happenings. You can also FaceTime and Skype, so you can keep in touch with your loved ones working abroad. Here, we also make transportation easier for you through our village shuttle. For a certain fee, our shuttle can take you to the nearest transport hubs para mas madali mo commute. 4. Convenient. The best thing about all this, winner ang price. Very competitive and worth it, especially with the quality of homes and amenities that you will get. For a very reasonable price, you get so much more in return. May flexible payment terms pa, which makes owning your home very easy. And as soon as you finish the down payment, you can move in 7 months or less. Here at PHirst Park Homes, we make sure that owning your first home is a convenient and guided journey by giving an easy and simplified buying and selling experience. So saan ka pa? PHirst Park Homes Tanza is the perfect choice. Built to be a legacy you can give to your family and loved ones. Firstly, it's complete, it's conceptive, it's connected, and so convenient. So what are you waiting for? Reserve your first home at PHirst Park Homes Tanza today. PHirst Park Homes, A first that lasts.